Guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are in Billericay in Essex, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drones from the sky. My first drone flight was a disaster because while I landed it in Brentwood, the flight went amazing in Brentwood, but it was a disaster because when I landed it, it hit the floor at top speed. I don't know how that happened. I just pressed down to land it how I usually do, and it just hit the ground at top speed. I don't know what happened. I need to check my flight data when I get back and what caused it to happen. I'm not sure what caused it to happen, but good thing that the drone and the gimbal is still fine. I tested it. I did a hover test while I was in Brentwood before going somewhere else, just in case something was wrong with the gimbal, and nothing was wrong with it, so luckily. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with the drone. Alright, 365 is now complete, and let's get a tour of Billericay. So I actually had a tumble with my drone a few times already. I had a rough landing in Worcester Park due to the wind, and I had another problem when I flew in northwest London, one of my drone flights, Norfolk Park. I hit it against the grass, but luckily the drone's still alright, and then it had a rough landing. I landed it a bit too hard here in Brentwood, and the drone got scratched up, but it's alright, the drone's fine. The gimbal's alright, luckily. So it wasn't too bad, but I remember I smacked the drone before, my previous one, and I sent it to DJI, my previous one. I smashed the gimbal up because I had a rough landing before. But I'm much better at flying now, but of course a few things still happen, even though I'm careful. But it's not as bad. Just pick this up. So we'll just fly around here. Get a shot of this roundabout here in Billericay. It's good to get out of London and get some shots in different areas, because I've pretty much flown everywhere in London. Of course, there are still parts that I haven't explored, but every little landmark I've been to, every little side of London. It's a nice green area here. Look at that. So let's just explore this town here in Essex. So yeah, it's quite hot today. It's a little bit of breeze, otherwise it would be really hot today if it was no breeze. Because we're in June, the middle of June, so it's pretty much one of the longest days of the year and the hottest days of the year as well. Would be hottest if it wasn't windy. In the next few days it's going to start to climb up to over 30 degrees. You know what, I completely forgot to wear sunscreen today. I just completely forget, and then I kind of regret it now, because it's not good to not wear sunscreen. Even yesterday I forgot to wear it, but it is what it is. It wasn't that sunny yesterday, it was a band of clouds when I flew in Barnet. So yeah, I don't even know what happened. Maybe I left it in sports mode, because usually I put it in normal mode when I land it, but I think I completely forgot to put it back into normal mode. So it might be my error, because I checked the playback and then it said sports mode. I think because I expect it to slow down when it goes near the ground, but the problem is I completely forgot. So what we do, we just go down towards here. So going up to the high street of Billericay. Because obviously in sports mode, all the sensors turn off. And I think that's exactly what happened. Because I always put it back into normal mode when I land it. But I guess I forgot. Because I usually expect it to slow down. And it was actually coming down, so I let go of the sticks. And it did slow down enough. So imagine I just carried on pressing it down, then it would have been smashed. But it did slow down and it still hit the ground at some momentum. So that's exactly what happened. So yeah, let's explore the neighbourhood area. Got the houses. Let's just explore the neighbourhood of Billericay. I might stop screen recording, the FPS is starting to get low now. It's just started to get low. But the good thing is we're back now. Because I stopped recording. What we'll do, we'll just get a little backwards shot. We'll go down towards here. It's a bit cloudy in this area, isn't it? Where we're flying. Just the area that we're flying in. Should we get a 360 shot of Billericay? Let's do it. Look at the countryside surrounding it. We're literally in the countryside. Forgot to show you, there's a station right here. Billericay station. Explore the whole town. Yeah, the sun's gone away, I'm not sure why. The sun decided to play hide and seek, but the good thing is that it's a lot cooler now. What we'll do, we'll just go down towards the other side, explore the neighbourhood. See, all my drone flights are solar powered, so if you see in the description this drone flight is solar powered, then it is. Explore the neighbourhood. So I've even made a cycling video when I cycled to Billericay. I cycled it from Brentwood to Billericay. So yeah, it's actually quite a decent bike ride. It's literally countryside. I'll make a video of that. I just thought it's good to get out on the bike as well as doing a drone flight. Because you get exercise as well as doing these amazing drone flights. Look at that nice countryside. We got towards the countryside. Look at that, the countryside of Essex. Just keep going down towards this area down here. Yeah, nice little drone flight here. Should we go to the other side of where the countryside is? Actually, when I pan the drone camera too much up, it just doesn't look that nice because the light from the sun is exposed perfectly and then everything else is underexposed, so it's perfect just face down. Look at that, got the car park, which is where we're flying from. Mad, you can see me from here. Can you see me wave at the drone? I've never really done that, like wave at the drone like for my videos. I just fly. Let's go to the other side where we have not been before. Let's go down towards this little junction. We haven't been there. Nice little sunny shot. Should we follow a car back? Follow a car back. You know, I've got to make sure it's not in sports mode again when I land it. Because what I do, I want to come back fast, and when I come back fast, I usually put it back in normal mode, but I completely forgot in Brentwood, and I think maybe that might be the cause. But I need to check properly if that is the problem. But there's no way of checking, because I don't think I started recording on my DJI Osmo 360 yet. Because I actually didn't even mean to land it, I just meant to bring it close. And then it hit the ground. That was crazy. Maybe I recorded it, I can't remember. Because maybe sometimes I keep the camera on before, the whole time. But then it was recording when I pressed it. So, yeah, let's just land the drone now. Nice little amazing drone flight here in Billericay in Essex. So, let's land it right here. You can see me wave at the drone, can you? Yep. Power bike here. So, let's land it in this area. Bring it here. All right, so that was my amazing little drone flight here, Billericay, here in Essex. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight. And yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.